Hi, I'm Barbara from Homestead Window Treatments. And today I'm going to be talking about window treatments for your bathroom. I get a lot of questions as to what can I use in my bathroom, and you'd be surprised at all the opportunities or options that you have. So the three most common issues that you'll have in the bathroom is direct contact with the water, humidity, and mold and odor. So the first one we're going to talk about is the Everwood faux wood blind, and this is great for a bathroom or even over like a kitchen sink. It can get wet. It's a composite, nice and thick. It comes in all different kinds of shades of white, even some textures. It looks like this. This is actually our Parkland, which is the real wood, but it's the same kind of principle. And you can do any of the operating systems. This one happens to be simple lift. Just take the button and go right up. And then you can do either a wand or a cord to tilt. So that is what we would suggest would be the Everwood blind. So the next option that we're going to talk about is the Duet. And the Duet actually has a special shade. It's called Micro Shield, so it's an antibacterial. Won't get any mold or anything. It comes in a 3/4 inch pleat. This is actually a 3/4 inch pleat. It's not the Micro Shield, but same kind of principle. Same thing, you can do any kind of lifting system with this. This happens to be top down, bottom up, and there are also a variety of other things as well. So another option that you have is the Duet Micro Shield commercial shade. Okay, and the next one I want to talk about, which is actually one of my favorites, is the Palm Beach vinyl shutter. These are awesome. You can put these actually in your shower. There's a window in your shower above your bathtub. Again, it's vinyl. It would have stainless steel hinges, so you won't have to worry about rust. And it's just a great option. You can still open the door if you want to get to your glass for any particular reason, and you can control your maneuvers as well. So another option you have is the Palm Beach shutter. So these are the three most recommended options. There are other products that you can use. It just depends on the conditions in your bathroom. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or you'd like to book an appointment, you can call us at 631-423-5782.